Hi guys, from today onwards we are starting the LeetCode questions to solve. These are the 50 questions we are targeting. So every day I'm going to be solve one or two questions every day. So few of the questions I'm already done on this. Uh, let's see which question I'm targeting today. Okay, so I'm resolving this question for you guys. I find this question a very interesting one. Okay, let's try to understand what the question is saying. Okay, so question name is something, find the consecutive values, find the consecutive number. Okay, we'll share the link of the questions in the question. We'll share the link in the description. Okay, so this is the given table for us. Okay, so we have to find the three consecutive. Let me show the question for you guys. Okay, find all the find all the numbers that appears at least three times consecutively. Okay, so if you see the given table, so there are, if you see, one is appearing at this second time and third time as well, right? So such number we have to figure it out, uh, and that need to be shown in the output. Okay, so the output, just only we need one column as a consecutive number that's coming as a one. Let's do this. So in order to find out this, what is my approach, guys, to solve this question? Very simple approach is, as we know that, okay, we have to check the values. If the values in a single row, right, a single column, it will be very difficult to compare. What if I put the lagging values here, like this one comes here and this one comes here, and make this as a two new columns saying that lead one and lead two values? Then it will be very easy me to compare it and check whether those values are exactly matching to each other or not. So how I'm going to achieve this? Okay, so we already know the CTE concept, right? So I'm creating a CTE as, okay, starting the CTE, select star comma everything from this. Okay, and using a lead function, lead of the number by one over, I don't need any partition, so as L1, and lead of number of two lead, I want the value over as L2. Okay, from what is the table name is lags. Okay, so let's select the values from this. Select star from A, right? Let's run the code and check the output whether it is giving a what expected. Okay, the values are expected coming. If you see, guys, now it is very easy to compare it, right? Let's compare these values. What I'm doing, select star, I'll just select a number as the output column, number as this one, number as consecutive number. Okay, from this A, where num is equal to L1 and num is equal to L2. That's what we are saying, right? Let's run this and check the output. Okay, so it is exactly matching. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so it is failing at test case 17. What it is saying, we are having a two consecutive number 3 3. Okay, so that simply means that we have to select a distinct values. Distinct is a keyword which help us to give the unique records, right? Not the unique one actually. uh, it removes the duplicate values, right? So we are submitted successfully. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.